find you. So we're coming by car, and it's just like we are driving around and we don't see a hotel.
Okay, we do not have a number in our address, okay? It's only the square name.
Do you have a drive, can we drive to you, or do we have to walk?
You will have to park, okay, near our hotel. There's a parking spot, okay? It's a public parking lot.
So you don't have always service?
No, we do not have. Thank you. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye. That is so strange. It's a 5-star hotel.
Without parking.
But that means that we are in the very, very center of Madrid, so that's pretty cool.
We are going to 5-star hotel with like tires on the back.
Yeah, we have our tire on the back because our luggage couldn't fit in our trunk.
So we are on a mission to find our hotel. Yeah, thank you.
We're just like going wrong.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is Madrid, Thompson Hotel. It costs $700 per night. Worth it? Let's check. What do we have here? First of all, we have this giant, beautiful living room. And also we have master bedroom. And the design of this room, it's like New York style, high quality material, and everything like one piece of art. And also dining area, marble, light. And welcome to my bedroom. So this is a corner master bedroom. We have 3 windows, and also I love this headboard. It's a huge piece of marble. So the bed is big, special for Spain, because like usually in Spain it's a tiny small mattress. It's like fit you like one of you, but this one is good size, like California King. We have here TV, we have like closet, but it's not walk-in, but pretty big. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I got it. I hate sliding door. Here you go. This is the bathroom. It's a huge, totally marble. And also, I'm gonna show you this guy. It's a smart dude. I love this toilet. So, what do we have in this bathroom? First of all, we have bathtub. We have 2 marble things. So the bathtub is pretty huge and comfy. Yeah, I love it. Actually, it's not too bad. So, and let's talk about new technology. What do we have in this room? First of all, this is a classic design. So here we have this radio, and also we have this Edison lamp. We have this shears. You know, it's like a magic. Oh! Cool.
That's cool.
So, as you know, like European plug is different than US, so I can charge my phone here, but it's so genius. Look. Yeah, we have Type-C USB. Like control on the side, it's so good. I can like switch lights. You know, like vibe of this place, it's like a special New York lounge here inside this living room. So we have my favorite Nespresso coffee machine. I know it's hard to make some coffee, but coffee is good. We have kettle, and we have like special like tea server. I can do cocktails here. I have mixer, you know. I need to learn how to make a good Irish coffee.
Yeah, it's really fast like in New York more, right?
Yeah, totally.
And what I absolutely love about this hotel, its location. It's actually on the Plaza del Carmel. It's just few minutes from Puerta del Sol. It's the heart of Madrid. So basically everything we need is just like a couple minutes walk. And it's getting late, so let's go and at least like see something and maybe have a quick bite in the city. They have a museum of hammer.
So this is a luxury brand new hotel, and let's check the cleanliness of this room. So usually living room is super dirty because like a lot of people here like throw the party. So let's start from this couch and check this area. The couch is white but it's clean. But let's see under the pillows. So here is clean. Oh my gosh, it's such a huge couch. And here is clean. Yeah, this couch is clean.
No chips?
No chips, no food crumbs. Let's see this carpet. Yeah, it's clean. Clean. So I love the selection of wines. Look, we have like different types. Rioja. And another Rioja 2018. Yeah, let's check the art. Yeah, the art is clean. Oh, here's dusty, look. So let me check this top shelf. So here is clean. Clean, 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 dusty, clean. How come? I don't know. We have safe. Have a couple laundry bags here. Yeah, anyways, here is clean. The mattress is huge, but let's check the yellow stain.
Just be clean, just be clean.
Wow, it's super clean. It's a brand new mattress.
Oh wow, it looks so nice. Oh, it's actually special for them. It says, the mattress of your dreams.
This is clean mattress of my dream. So let's get comfy. Oh, much better. So I'm prepared to relax here.
Oh wow, this bed is like a cloud. So good. Do they have a breakfast? Let's check.
So here is my salmon with American bread, and also like this like hamon, this bread, this like croissant, juice, tea and oil. It's just like a starter. So this is my chicken breast, ratatouille, and you have like bread with Nutella.
Yeah.
So and this is the breakfast in Spain, Madrid. Yeah, it's so cool. So delicious. I love this egg. I'm gonna try this bread with salmon.
Okay.
Good. So here you go, dessert, my pudding, churros. Are you ready? Yeah, it's like Madrid style churros. You put it inside the jar and then like shake it. And now it's ready.
And the breakfast was amazing. It was probably one of the best breakfasts we've ever had in a hotel. It was more like a gastronomical experience. It was like art and so many like small, plates like Spanish tapas on a table. And yeah, it was amazing. Service is perfect.
So here is the pool, is empty because it's Christmas soon, but you can chill here. You have like day beds, Madrid view. It's definitely a cool part of this hotel. So overall, I love this hotel. It's pretty comfy. Especially this mattress is so good, and like this is a bright suite with like a lot of light coming in. So, and the staff of this hotel is amazing. We got like a complimentary drink when we check in. So yeah, it's a brand new cool hotel with nice design. I love it. I highly recommend if you go to Madrid, especially location of this place, you don't need to use the car because like it's easy to go out to everywhere, a lot of restaurants, shops here. So if you like this room tour, subscribe to our channel and I will send you a big heart.